Now, Innswood High capped off an impressive Jamaica Rugby Union High School 15s competition with a championship trophy after remaining unbeaten all season. Denise Walters has the details.
En route to getting their hands on the trophy, Innswood defeated St. Catherine High 52-0, Spanish Town High 22-0, and Kingston College 55-0. Their sternest test came against Jonathan Grant High in the semi-final, but they prevailed 12-7 before dismissing Norman Manley High 29-5 in the final.
It was pretty much a clean sweep. The boys really fought. The semi-finals fight was something more mental than physical, and they were able to carry it through to the final, so I'm really proud of that. Today is just a testament of really what the potential is for them, and I'm looking forward to see what they look like in the next couple of seasons for sevens, for under 14 and under 16.
I think I performed excellently. I think I performed my best out of this game than any other game I play this season. Next is sevens and maybe the Jamaica team, if I can make it. I need to put in some more work, but I'm trying to get there.
Captain of Innswood High, Michael Gray, was the competition's MVP. Meanwhile, Principal of Innswood, Collington Powell, was very impressed with his young charges.
I know they have a good program, and if they can just put in the work, listen to their coach. He's an excellent coach. He knows the game to a very, very high standard. I have no doubt that they will go all the way and dominate the season.
Coach and captain of Norman Manley High, Alric Dennis and Alex Williamson, respectively, say it was a well-played final.
It was an excellent game in my opinion because due to the fact that we tried and we played so hard today, I pray that in the future, we execute better.
Basically, we came out here today with a fairly weak team, but it would never go the way that we expected it to go. Innswood had a stronger team, so at the end they overcome and beat us. It was a good game still. The referee did a good job on the field as well. And it's just looking good for the future for rugby.
Jamaica Rugby Football Union is happy with the growth they are seeing in the 15s program at the youth and senior level.
On the 15s, I think growth for Jamaica Rugby is happening every year. We have a lot of local players going over to college overseas as a result of these set games. So definitely these players coming back, training with their teams again and going into even the senior club rugby, definitely we'll see growth, and we have been seeing growth.
Unfortunately, with the passage of Hurricane Melissa and some schools in Western Jamaica getting affected, it was a truncated season.
We start off with 20 male teams and 8 female teams, and with Hurricane Melissa, we got to shift focus on the teams that within St. Catherine and Kingston. So we have teams like BB Cook from St. Elizabeth affected by the hurricane and all that. So we got to shift to a quarterfinals with the final 18 from Kingston, St. Catherine, just to complete the season.
And Jonathan Grant High won the third-place playoff, dismissing neighbors Spanish Town High 40-0. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.